Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2019 essay stream. This is question number 1 of part 2 from the topic quadratic equation. Question says, let A, B, C, D be distinct real numbers such that A, B are roots of x square minus 5cx minus 6d equal to 0 and CD are roots of x square minus 5ax minus 6b equal to 0, then B plus D is. Okay, to find B plus D, I will use sum of roots relation. A, B are roots of this quadratic, so we can write A plus B to be equal to 5c, and let us call this as equation number 1. Similarly, CD are roots of second quadratic, so this will give us C plus D to be equal to 5a. If we add these two equations, we get A plus C plus B plus D is equal to 5 times A plus C. So this will give us B plus 2, which is asked in the question, to be equal to 4 times A plus C. So this is my equation number 3. Now if I subtract 2 from 1, we will get A minus C plus B minus D to be equal to 5 times C minus A. So this will give B minus D to be equal to 6 times C minus A, because on the left hand side we are having A minus C, so while going on the right hand side it becomes C minus A. So 5 plus 1, 6 times C minus A. This is equation number 4. Now the next important thing here is that as A, B are roots of this quadratic, so if I put A into this, it should satisfy it. So it will become A square minus 5 into CA minus 6D is equal to 0. Similarly, CD are roots of the second quadratic. So if I put C into this quadratic, we get C square minus 5AC minus 6B is equal to 0. Okay, here you can notice that 5CA and 5AC, they are same term. So if I take difference, it will get cancelled. And that was the reason behind why I chose A to be put in this quadratic and C to be put into second quadratic. Now if I take difference, we will get A square minus C square minus 6 common D minus B is equal to 0. We can factorize this A minus C into A plus C equal to 6 times D minus B. And here B minus D is 6 times C minus A. So if I write D minus B, so it will be 6 into 6 times A minus C. Okay, and because all A, B, C, D are distinct real numbers, hence A minus C and A minus C on left hand side and right hand side can be cancelled. So we get A plus C to be equal to 36. And this B plus D from equation number 3 will become equal to 4 times A plus C, which is 36, and hence it becomes equal to 144. So answer for this question should be C. Okay, so this completes the solution of this question. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Thank you. Bye.